malakas. Yes, ito na. Nakatayo na talaga. Ready nang sumagot. Yes, what's your answer?
Marvel ba yun?
Marvel. Nanonood po ba kayo ng mga Marvel movies?
Hindi.
Hindi. Kaya naman, Marvel, is that correct? Wrong! Yes, dito tayo. Yes, what's your answer?
Warner Brothers.
Warner Brothers, is that correct? Wrong! Ayun na! Ay, gusto ko yung kumakaway-kaway pa. Yes, what's your answer?
Universal Studio.
Universal Studios, is that correct? Wrong! So, paano yung taas ng kamay? Paano yung taas? Woohoo! What's your answer?
MGM.
MGM, is that correct? Wrong! Yes. What's your answer?
21st century.
21st century, is that correct? Hi. Yes, what's your answer?
28th century Fox.
Welcome.
28th century, is that correct? 28th century na ba tayo?
20th century.
20th century. Is that correct? Wrong! Ito, ay, gusto ko rin yung taas ng kamay niya. Woohoo! Yes, what's your answer?
20th century studio.
20th century studio. Is that correct? Woo!
20th century Fox.
20th century Fox. Is that correct? Correct! Finally! Ang daming versions ng 20th century. Akala ko magiging tula na.